Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from ClickWages step by step. First, open the ClickWages app or website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see 5 main options: Homepage, Invite, Task Center, Videos, and Cash Out. Since you want to withdraw your earnings, tap on the Cash Out button located at the bottom right. This section will show your current balance, referral rewards, and other account details. At the top left, you'll also see your name or username along with the cash out option. Now, one important thing to keep in mind is that ClickWages requires you to have at least $200 in your account before you can withdraw your money. So first, you'll need to earn $200 by inviting users, completing tasks, or watching videos. Once your balance reaches $200, the cash out option should become available. You can then enter the required details and submit your withdrawal request. And that's basically how you withdraw money from ClickWages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.